your dishwasher. Get it out. Turn that down. Turn it down. That's it, it'll dry now. Worth it. Right. Come on then, we'll give the Scoobies a snacker-macker. Who's ready for a Scooby snack? These are Scooby snacks. Okay. Right. Now you have to do this nicely. There's no going to. It's a little at a time. So you take a little. Hey! No! No! Little bite. Don't. What about my fingers? Ready?
They're ready.
Are we ready? That one's faster. See? See? You can actually go down. You have to wash my hands now.
Is it gone?
Oh, God.
Oh my! So quick. Oh, I need my key.
Yeah.
Lalabas kami mga palangga just to get dog food and yung snacks nila kasi naubusan na nga sila ng snacks. Ako yung magdadrive kasi matagal-tagal na din hindi nagamit yung sasakyan ko. It's not good for the vehicle. So, sabi ni Jan, ako daw yung mag-drive ngayon. So, ito na yung mask ko. Si Jan, meron ding mask, yung puting mask na ginagamit niya. So, let's go!
I've got to lock the dogs. I need my phone.
I will turn on the car.
Yeah, open your windows and just let it out.
It's been a while. So, nakapang bahay lang talaga ako. Yan. Nag-jacket lang ako. Yun na. Oh, it's warm here. So, the time here is 2:15 in the afternoon. Matagal-tagal na din akong hindi nakapag-drive. Here's mister? Yeah, put it in there.
Been in this car for ages.
Are you ready?
Put it not in there.
Are you ready?
No. No. What's the fan on for? We're blowing so much for. We don't need to blow down here.
Ready?
Ready. Find that nice and white car behind. Maximum. Ooh, this is rough fast. Let's take our time now.
Ah, we're quite far.
I hope so. Don't need to rush, we haven't been out for ages, have we?
Can I just brake?
We're braking.
It's working.
Well, you know it was working if you just press your brake when you actually were stationary, because you would have pressure. If it wasn't working, the pedal will go right to the floor.
We don't need to rush.
No.
Okay.
Turn it into the field. Right, look at this one. This is ridiculous. Right, these are dog walkers, you see, aren't they? Well, some are.
It's busy. I thought there is a lockdown. Ito lang yung vegetable na meron sila. That's a cucumber, parsley, pea, runner beans, ito lettuce, Brussels sprouts. Meron silang cauliflower. So, kumuha tayo ng cauliflower and cucumber. Nasa bahay na tayo. Ilalagay ko muna sila sa greenhouse kasi they're not quite ready to be out. Kasi kailangan natin tong itanim tong cauliflower natin sa garden, not inside the greenhouse. Sobrang strict nila sa shop, mga palangga. 2 tao lang ang makakapasok. So, ayun, naghintay kami sa labas. hindi naman busy at hindi naman marami ang nag-queue. Pagdating namin, isang couple lang yung nag-queue. Nakita niyo naman kanina na sa bridge na dinadaanan ko, busy na naman. Naku, yung mga tao, hindi talaga nakikinig. And naghanap sana ako ng cabbage seeds or cabbage seedling, pero wala sila. So, yung hanap natin, cauliflower and cucumber. So, itanim natin siya when they are ready. So, right now, nagbabalat ako ng orange kasi yung orange kasi it's not an easy peel. Kaya dumidikit siya sa orange. Hinaantok ako mga palangga dahil sa walang ginagawa. So, 4 o'clock na dito. So, ipaghahanda ko lang si Mr. sa kaniyang hapunan sa tea time natin. He will have sausages. Yan, Hindi na ako maghahapunan kasi yun na nga sa lunchtime madami akong kinain and later na lang magpo-pudding tayo kasi meron tayong leftover na crumble, fruit crumble. Well, do you like my crumble? How I make it?
Yes, darling.
Did I make it into perfection now?
Oh, yes.
So, yung custard pala, ito yung ginagamit ko. Instant na siya. Ilagay mo lang siya sa warm milk. And then, yun. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tinitingnan ko lang to see if yung custard dissolved na siya. Ito na. Time na ni little spatula na gamitin. First time ko itong gamitin. Yung other spatula yung nagagamit ko. Yan. Yan. Nasimot talaga siya. Simot na simot. Honeybee! So, kain muna kami mga palangga.
Num, num, num.
What are you doing?
Camera was hungry.
You're teasing them.
The next day.
Good morning! Good morning mga palangga. So, it's another day. Si Mr. nandoon na siya sa labas. Naghuho siya sa mga weeds sa garden natin. Mostly yung old strawberry bed. Papakita ko lang sa inyo ha. Nandoon si Mr. Sobrang very good niya. Yan. And the usual, nandito rin si Phoebe, nakabantay kay Mr. Okay, coming. So, ito na mga palangga. It looks so clean now. And tidy. Yan.
Compared to what it was, yeah.
When
you do the hoeing now, right, you just walk to one end, between, and then you just set off and you're going like this. And all that does, it takes the weeds, kills the weeds off on it, it cuts the weeds out.
Okay.
You just leave them and they just die off, you see.
Okay.
So you technically, what you're doing it, but it breaks it down.
Okay.
And back into the soil.
So, isang bed na lang yung dapat gawin. Hindi namin yan gagawin ngayon. Wala pa namang tumubo sa ating tinanim. Hopefully, merong tutubo mga palangga. So, we will add another line here para sa ating cauliflower. Well, I don't mind, honey. If all these flowers will become fruit, then I don't mind.
The red currency.
Yeah. This one as well is having fruit. Pero ito talaga yung madaming bulaklak. Yung ating plum, it looks promising at the moment kasi sobrang dami. I don't know if you can see it in... Huh?
Oh no, I thought it was something eating it. It's not just been wearing it.
Oh my.
I thought it was just, it looked like it was like that. It just looked like there's something eating it.
Oh, don't make me nervous. Anyway, it looks promising because there's few little fruits.
Look at this tree. You can tell how wet wind blows. It's all on that side of it. It's sap here.
Well, you cannot see because sobrang liit nila. So, hopefully lang talaga. Meron tayong plum this year.
I love you. Flowers, darling.
Thank you.
Can't go out to buy any, so I have to give you nature.
Oh! Oh, thank
You
you.
can make good wine out of dandelions.
Is it?
Oh, yeah, dandelion.
Thank you. Oh, so
we need to look
sweet.
on,
Madami ang bulaklak mga palangga. So, makakapag-harvest talaga tayo this year. Yung rhubarb natin, oh. Diba? Sobrang bushy na naman niya. I need to clean here because marami ding mga weed dito. What are you showing me? Tingnan niyo mga palangga ako ano yung ginawa ko. Nagdagdag ako ng mayflower sa dandelion na binigay ni Mr. Ang ganda, di ba? What is it? Forget me not? Ay, they're not so big. I cannot pick them up. Can you pick them in a certain length, please? Can you hold the camera? So ito mga palangga, they called, what is it?
Forget me not.
Forget me not. I hope magpo-focus. Yan.
Scooby's come to see.
It's filming.
Is it now? Pippa, you want some
Pippa.
flowers?
Yeah, she wants some flowers as well. Oh.
Natural wildflowers.
Huh?
Natural, they just grow for fun, them things.
Did they?
Hmm.
No, Pippa. She's so curious on what I am doing. Sweetheart, not yet. Not yet.
Pippa, Pip.
Hang on. She killed the flower.
Phoebe, Phoebe, what are you doing with the flowers on your head? Why you got
Hang on, girls. Hang on.
Phoebe? Look there, grab it.
Thank you. No, they're not edible.
They are. Who's this walking?
That's it. We got it.
Somebody walking up the road, darling.
Not yet.
Right. Yeah,
That's it. We're gonna go inside.
that's it.
Wala tayong maliit na flower vase mga palangga. So, ilalagay ko na lang siya sa glass. Yan na, good enough. I'm not a florist. So, papasensyahan niya na. So, yun. Thank you, mister.
So we're having chops, huh?
Yan. Di ba ang cute? It's so pretty.
Yeah, you see. Don't need to spend money to impress the wife, you know.
Yan.
Do you? Just give her a piece of nature. In more ways than one.
Kumakain ako ng lunch. Ito yung lunch ko. Yung leftover na pudding. Kasi, hindi namin siya naubos kagabi. At sabi ni Jan na ayaw na daw niya yung pudding. So, kainin ko na lang. Kasi magti-3 days na to dito. Sayang naman kung hindi kainin at itapon lang. Meron rin akong coffee dito. Gusto ko sanang gumawa ng apple crumble pero wala tayong cooking apple. Kaya ito muna. Yung crumble masarap kasi may pagka-crunchy siya. Maganda ang panahon ngayon mga palangga. So, ayun, nagpalit ako. Naka-summer dress ako. Nakita nyo na to many times. Yan. Alam nyo, sobrang special to sa akin. Kasi itong dress na to, nabili ko pa to sa ukay sa Pilipinas. I have this dress for mga 10 years na siguro. So, nabili ko siya sa ukay. Itong dress na to, sinuot ko pa to nung first time namin pumunta sa Bohol way back 2015. So, imagine niyo, second hand na to and mga parang 10 years na to sa akin. So, I don't know how old is this dress. Kailangan ko na siyang i-let go. Kasi, alam niyo ba kung bakit? Kasi, dito I don't know if you can see it, but meron na siyang butas. Pero ayaw ko talaga siyang i-let go. Nahihirapan ako. Iniingatan ko siya, pero dahil may katandaan na tong dress na to, yung material talaga niya, napupunit na. Sobrang dali nang mapunit. But anyway, i-enjoy muna natin to. And nakasandal din pala ako. Ito nabili ko sa... ano bang pangalan nun? Hindi ko maalala. Nabili ko to, hindi sa Dunelm, but around sa Dunelm, merong shop doon. Nakalimutan ko kung anong name ng shop, but ilalagay ko siguro dito pag naalala ko. So, ito sana yung mga dadalhin ko sa Pilipinas. Pero mali. So, anyway, magmamarinate muna tayo ng pork. And then, lalabas tayo, pupunta tayo sa ating barbecue house. Ganyan din ba kayo? Nagkikip ba kayo ng mga things niyo and you don't want to let go? Kasi ako talaga, I am bad at it. Kasi nagkikip lang talaga ako ng mga things. Nagkikip and keep and keep. And then, hindi ko na na-realize na nakatambak na pala sila. Tulad ng mga damit ko sa Pilipinas, sobrang daming damit kong dinala from Philippines and hindi ko sila nagagamit dito. Maglagay tayo ng suka at toyo. Tansya-tansya na lang, as usual. Alam niyo naman ako. Experiment lang itong mga palangga ha. So, if you gonna follow me doing this, then don't blame me. So, maglalagay ako ng barbecue sauce. I don't know why, but trip ko lang. Maglalagay din ako ng tomato ketchup. Trip ko lang. Maglagay tayo ng garlic powder. Trip ko lang. Naglalagay naman talaga ako ng garlic powder pag nagmamarinate ako ng pork. Onion powder. And then, kukuha lang ako ng gloves para i-mix sila. Nare-rinse ko yung gloves kasi feeling ko kasi na meron siyang powder. Wala naman siyang powder and it's quite clearly sa packaging niya na pwede daw siyang i-contact with food. Hinuhugasan ko lang talaga siya bago ko siya ilapat sa food. Ewan ko lang. Some of you were saying na mas masarap daw yung pork pag nilalagyan mo ng Sprite. So, hindi ko pa yan na-try. So, yun. Ano na dito? 2:45. Tingnan nyo si Mr. John. He's cutting the grass. He did not see me. Wala, hindi niya ako nakita. Dito ako sa greenhouse mga palangga. Nakaupo lang. Dito kasi mas ramdam mo talaga yung init. Hala, kailangan natin diligan yung ating cauliflower mga loves. Kasi tingnan nyo yung dahon. Nag-curl sila. So it means naiinitan siguro sila ba at tuyo. Yeah, kailangan natin silang diligan. Sabi ni Mr. na they're not quite ready para i-transfer sila sa bed. Diligan natin. Oops. Sila lang naman yung parang nag-curl. Ito okay naman siguro. Yung cucumber. Yung ating kamatis. Okay naman. They look happy. Yan. Alam niyo, yung feeling ko ngayon, parang summer na. Kasi nakakapagsuot na tayo ng ganito, pang summer clothes. Pero, we don't know what's the weather tomorrow. So, it could be freezing tomorrow. So, i-enjoy natin to. Di ba, Pipa? Oh. Kininaw ako, kaya ayun. Kinuha ko yung blanket sa front room.
It's got a comfort blanket.
Yeah, my comfort blanket.
Got the coffee gone wrong way.
So you finished cutting all the grass?
Yep.
Good.
All
Do you still remember this, Han?
What the yeah.
No, nothing in this dress.
Yeah. I remember putting the thing in your ear, at the top of your ear, and taking a white flower and taking a photograph of you at the hall.
Yeah, when was that?
2000 and...
When we get married, what year?
Well, obviously it must have been 15. Must have been August-ish time.
No, September-ish.
When did we get married? September. Oh, September, wasn't it?
Tea time na dito mga palangga. So, ayun. Nandito na tayo sa loob ng bahay. So, yung tea natin, si John, gusto daw niya ng baked potato with the pork chops. Akin naman is magra-rice tayo. So, yung kay Mr. Yung akin, hihiwain ko siya. Kasi ipiprito ko kasi siya. Yung pork chops natin, meron siyang buto. Nakikita niyo ba ako? It looks like it's so dark from here. Pero kung nakikita niyo ako, kanina, mga 11 o'clock siguro yun, nagtingin ako sa Tesco app kung meron ba silang slot for click and collect. And na-shock ako kasi sobrang daming available. And so, kasi sobrang daming available, nagtingin ako sa home delivery. And yes, merong slot. Nakakuha ako ng slot for tomorrow. I-deliver siya between 12 to 1 o'clock. Then, pagkatapos kong nag-order, tinignan ko ulit. Yung mga slot na nakita ko, wala na. They are not available anymore. Ilalagay na natin to sa oven. Sprayhan natin ng kaunti. Yan.
A few minutes later.
Leftover natin sila. I-check natin yung ating pork. Ito yung pork natin. Papahidan ko lang sila. Yan. Mukhang masarap naman. Balik natin mga loves. Yung pork natin, sobrang tostado na niya. Oh my goodness. Yung potato, sobrang crispy niya. Can you hear that?
Look nothing like beans, huh?
So, this is Mr. T.
No beans.
No beans. We need to use the cabbage, sweetheart.
I can eat the peanut, can I?
You can eat your tea, sweetheart, if you want.
Thank you.
So, kain tayo. Rice. Rice is life. So, kain muna ako mga palangga. So, ito na yung atin. So, meron tayong spice vinegar with toyo dito. Cranberry juice. And, tingnan nyo tong ating pork. Sobrang tostado, diba? Yan. Masarap. So, kain muna ako, ha? Hindi ko siya naubos. Meron tayong leftover. Yan. Tamang-tama din kasi meron pa din tayong rice na natira. So, for tomorrow yan for breakfast. So, anyway, mga palangga. Hindi ko alam kung gaano to kahaba tong vlog na to, pero end ko na yung vlog dito kasi wala naman talagang ganap. Ayaw ko nang pahabain kasi walang ganap. So, maraming salamat sa panonood and ano ba naman to eh? Maraming salamat sa panonood. Mag-ingat po tayong lahat and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye! Mwah, mwah. Bye mga palangga.